What's the best registry cleaner? Now, there's a question I've fielded for years, and it's also one of those questions that's extremely controversial in its answer. Many people believe strongly that registry cleaners are a key and important component to keeping their systems running and running well. My position? Not so much. What's the best registry cleaner? The best registry cleaner is none at all. There may be cases where you want to use one, though, and I'll review which I'd use and how to use them safely. I'm Leo Notenboom. This is askleo.com. Question: what would be the best software to buy to fix and clean the Windows registry? There is no best registry cleaner. There are a wide variety of opinions on registry cleaners and PC cleaning tools. Many people believe they're valuable and important tools to keeping your system running smoothly. I disagree. Most of the time, they're simply so much snake oil. Registry cleaners are rarely needed. I rarely use a registry cleaner. In fact, I've never felt I've needed to use a registry cleaner. I only run them to experiment with the cleaner, not because I felt my system would benefit. And I definitely install and play with random things on my machines all the time. That kind of playing is exactly what most registry cleaning advocates say lead to registry issues. Yet I've rarely had issues, and when I did, registry cleaners weren't the solution. The best registry cleaner is no registry cleaner at all. Registry cleaner risks. In my experience, most computers don't benefit substantially, if at all, from a registry cleaning. Some even get worse. Many people reach for a registry cleaner when an application is having problems or Windows is misbehaving. The problem is these types of situations rarely respond to cleaning. They often require an application-specific or a Windows-specific solution. I do get reports of cleaners making things worse. I've even heard from individuals who've had to completely reinstall Windows after running a registry cleaner that did much more harm than good. When to run a registry cleaner? In my opinion, registry cleaning is appropriate in only two cases. To attempt to speed up a very slow Windows machine, but only if nothing else has helped. To resolve Windows or application crashes, but only if nothing else has helped. I consider it a last resort. While it might help, it's not likely to help much. Back up first. Before you run any cleaner, back up first. This is one of the few times I'll consider using System Restore, as it is nothing more than a glorified registry backup. I prefer, however, to take a full system image backup. That way, if anything goes wrong, including a system restore failure, you can safely restore your machine to a point in time before the damage was done. Safe registry cleaning. There are those who disagree with my position. And to be honest, while there are horror stories, most of the time cleaners don't do any damage. They may not do any good, but reputable ones aren't going to harm your system unless there's some other kind of underlying problem. Since you can't tell whether your situation is going to be one of those mostly harmless scenarios or a total disaster, it's critical that you back up properly before you begin. Which registry cleaner? If you're going to use a registry cleaner, which one should you use? There are plenty of tools out there, that's for sure. I'll mention two. CCleaner, a Windows cleanup utility, has a registry cleaner as well. Run Analyze and you'll see the changes it is about to make. Caveat: in recent years, after being purchased by Avast, CCleaner's setup program has been known to install pups if you're not careful at install time. Also, while they take great pains to push their paid version or paid support, neither are required. The free version is all you need. JV16 Power Tools from Macecraft includes not only a registry cleaner, but an entire suite of useful maintenance utilities. I've used both of these tools on an otherwise clean and working copy of Windows and had no issues. If you feel you must use one, then regardless of which you choose, please back up first. You can't have too many backups. For links related to this article or to leave a comment, visit askleo.com/2710. I'm Leo Notenboom. This is askleo.com. Thanks for watching.